So the first step is I went to the store. In this case, I went to Home Goods and TJ Maxx, and I picked up a few things, or a lot of things, that I thought would be really pretty for my mantelscape. I would suggest starting out by laying everything out on the table that you think you might want to use, and clip any tags off that need to be clipped so everything is all set to go. And then you're going to make a rough sketch of how these things might fit. I always like to start in the middle and to work out, so I'm going to take the items that I sketched out here. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but I was imagining that brown basket right back there to be kind of the focal point. It's brown, it's going to draw your eye in, and we're going to build everything else up around that. So let's get started. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today and that it inspired you to do something lovely for your own home. This is Carolyn Cavanaugh, and I will see you next time. Bye!